Ever wondered how to make the most of your small garden space? Many garden enthusiasts grapple with this very issue. Limited space can stifle creativity and limit the variety of plant life. But fear not, the solution to your gardening woes lies in going vertical. Imagine growing your favorite herbs in a vertical garden right at home. A vertical herb garden is a clever way to grow your herbs, utilizing vertical space. It offers easy accessibility and an aesthetic appeal. Not only does it save space, but it also turns your wall into a green masterpiece. Creating your own vertical herb garden is simpler than you might think. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you need to choose the right location. This spot should get at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Next, select the herbs that you love most. Basil, thyme, rosemary, and mint are all great options for starters. Now, on to preparing your garden structure. You could use a trellis, a pallet, or even a shoe organizer, whatever suits your space. Once you've got that set up, it's time to plant your herbs. Make sure to give them enough room to grow, but not so much that they'll crowd each other out. Lastly, caring for your garden is key. Regular watering and pruning will keep your herbs healthy and help them thrive. And remember, the more you use your herbs, the more they'll grow. And just like that, you've transformed your small space into a thriving vertical herb garden. Gardening in small spaces need not be a challenge anymore. Vertical herb gardens are truly transformative, allowing you to maximize your space while cultivating your favorite herbs. The benefits are many. They're space-saving, practical, and aesthetically pleasing. Plus, there's something incredibly satisfying about harvesting your own fresh herbs. So, why not give it a shot in your own space? It's time to roll up those sleeves and get gardening. Enjoyed this video? Do like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!